Welcome at Kiara's Right Fashion Mall. First of all, we need some underwear. Let's put that in here, okay? Let me get the bra. Make sure it's the right size. Size 合ってないの？ちょっと待って。I need this size. And that's about the right size. Fits perfect! But this one is a sports bra. We need that sometimes to work out. スポーツブラもちょっとサイズ調整。There we go. There we go. That's about right. じゃあ、着替えていきましょうか。You wanna come help me try on some things? Are you gonna help me? I might not fit into everything that easily. I might need your help. Come with me? Okay. Let me get into the changing room. じゃあ、ちょっと着替えてくるから待ってくれる？ Are you gonna wait for me? ただー！Yeah, they're comfortable. Let me go back inside and put on some pants. Open the curtains! Ta-da! I couldn't close the buttons. Yeah, you can see my belly button! Of course you can! I feel like you were able to see that before as well, right? I'm opening the curtains. 開けるね。Go! Is it noticeable? No, you can't see it, right? I put on a swimsuit underneath anyway, so it's okay if you can see it. まあ、下は水着だから大丈夫でしょう。Just don't look too much. So, yeah. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Yay! I got some sunglasses too. Open the curtains. Hey! One more thing before I go to my secret weapons. Of course, a lady cannot go outside with a bag. But that's still not all. I got more. まだあるよ. Close the curtains. Here come my secret weapons. Are you ready? Go! Mama! I want some milk. Mama, don't go away. Mama, where are you? Oh, guys. I'm tired. Really tired. I'm gonna go sleep. No, I cannot sleep. I still have to show you one more thing. Okay. Gonna go back into the curtains and show you one more thing. Eh? Is everything normal? Oh my god, I think I am a cat! What? Meow! まさかキアラがね、猫になるなんてみんな思ってなかったでしょ。ふくパパ、first in the beginning, I told Fuku Papa that I trust him and I just want him to do whatever he wants to do. So I left it all to him. But then later on, he came back to me and he was like, Kiara, I don't know what to do. Do you really not have any suggestions? So I was like, oh, well, okay, I guess. And then I threw some ideas. He added the pacifier. That was not me, actually. おしゃぶりはね、実はふくパパのアイディアだった。前ね、ウノのコラボがあったんだけど、そこでキアラの罰ゲームが赤ちゃんのモノマネをするっていう罰ゲームだったから、そこからできたアイディアですね。あとはブラウスとかその基本的なアイディアはキアラから出たけど、猫耳とかそういうのはパパのアイディアでしたね。そう前はちょっとね柔らかい感じだったけど、今回はもうちょっとねはっきりした感じになりましたね。アビダゼン